Hello.
Yes, hi. I'm with the U.S. Bureau. Do you know anybody lives at that 5107?
Uh huh.
Right? Is
Do I
it
know?
just? Do you know anything about it? Like how many people live there? Or it looks like
Well,
nobody.
no one lives there, but possibly people going in and out of there from time to time. Um,
Oh,
but
okay.
it is. I don't know what's going on there, but they've stopped construction on that for a while, so I'm going to say that the owner may not be the owner anymore.
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
Possibly because it looks the house should have been done a long time ago. But either way, I it was owned by two people, a husband
Uh
and
huh.
wife, and I'm gonna
Okay.
sue them because if you take a look up to my magnolia tree, they cut the fuck out of it.
Ah, that's good.
So it's two people. I don't know if they're still there though, or cause they haven't built anything, or they haven't continued
Looks
construction.
like
So it maybe the
yeah.
bank owns it.
There were like maybe I wouldn't say it's a housing unit. Well, housing unit, I guess, right?
It's
I don't
well,
think so.
I don't. It could be a hostel for all I know.
Okay, all righty. Let's see.
You're with who? The
Okay,
Census
so
Bureau?
what I'm doing, and when I went there, and I was like, I can't find this, and this cat has been following me everywhere I go, and I let me go and see them if they know anything about it.
Yeah, I do.
So,
It's a guy and his wife. Don't ask me their name, but it's a guy and his wife, and
SoCal.
I think they went under and probably went bankrupt, and now it's
Okay.
probably Wells
So,
Fargo.
like a maybe foreclosure or, oh my gosh. Okay. Sir, if you don't mind me asking, what is your first name?
Who? Me?
What is your first
My name's Rudy.
Okay. Okay, you don't have to, I mean, do you have a middle
Don't
name?
report me that I'm the informant.
I'm going to leave this for you. So,
Okay.
do you have a middle name, sir?
So what?
Do you have a middle
Oh,
name
Lee. Is that all you want? My first and middle name. That's it.
and last name?
And you should know this. You're the census.
Do you what now?
You should. Did you guys don't know where y'all going? Oh no, because I just filled out my card and sent it in. Enriquez with an E,
Oh,
like
oh, you have already
Enrique
done
Iglesias, but put a Z at the end of Enrique
Enrique.
with a Z at the end.
Okay. Do you mind spelling it one more time?
Enrique with a Z at the end. You know how to
Enrique.
spell Enrique, right? You want me to spell it
No.
out?
Just my second language. Okay. Sorry. Okay. All right. R-O. Oh
Okay.
my gosh. That's gotta go. Sorry. Last name. I'm sorry. One last. I apologize.
that is not my cat. That's the
I know.
neighbor's cat.
Too bad for her though. Okay. What's your last? What's your last name, sir? That was one more time. Can you
E N
come out
R
second?
I Q U E Z.
E-R-A.
That's not my cat.
I know. Okay. Alrighty. I'm sure you would not like to share your number with us.
No.
Okay, good.
My social
I
security
would.
number, absolutely
No,
not.
no,
They say on the news you're not supposed to
no,
give that out.
no number. Okay, so you're the proxy. Oh my gosh, it's gonna ask me all these questions.
Put me as anonymous.
What is? Well, I know. I already did your name. Um, what's this address, sir? What? Five
Five
five zero one.
one 5103
Okay,
Bradford
50.
Drive,
Oh, that's not
Dallas,
51.
Texas 75235. I feel like I'm walking a line. The sobriety test here.
Oh, gosh.
You failed. I did when they asked me my address.
Yeah. Dallas. Oh, I can't spell even Dallas.
Would you mind watering my plants back there?
Sure.
The hose is right there. This would be great for Ellen if you actually go and do that. We'll send it to her, and then we'll be on the Ellen show.
See. Alright. And I'm sorry, sir, the zip code was what?
The zip code 75235.
235.
If there's a census, they would know that.
Our neighbor. And was there? No, there was no English.
Oaklawn,
I'm sorry.
Dallas, Texas. Oaklawn,
Yeah.
Dallas, Texas, US of A.
On. Okay, cool. All right, thank you very much for your time. Do you want me to leave the confidential information thingy for you, or you just want me to go ahead with somebody else?
No, I think I just broke all confidence right now by telling you all my information.
Great day.
Have a good day.
Okay, never mind. Okay, bye.
Oh, can you put those garbage cans in?
No.
Those garbage cans right there. Yeah, just pull them up. That is not my cat.